What's up, sellers? Welcome to today's video. I'm just going to show you kind of what I've got going on. eBay sales have been insanely good. I don't know what the deal is. I'm suspecting that a lot of people are just staying home like they should be and shopping on eBay like they should be. Thank you very much to all of those buyers that are buying everything from me on eBay. Sales are great. That being said, I have been listing a ton of stuff, anywhere from 20 to 40, 45 items per day, consistently every single day. Let me show you what I've already listed today and then what I'm working on right now. All right, I took a lot of my Amazon Merchant Fulfilled books and listed them on eBay. Right here's 11 items that have already been listed for the day. Those are pretty quick to list. Yeah, very, very fast to list. And then so far for clothes, we have this stack here that's already been photographed and will be listed by the end of the day, including this pair of jeans that I have already photographed. That just has to make it to the pile. I did sell a pair of these jeans, the 514s, just a couple days ago for $35. I paid $2 for these. I paid $6 for the other ones. And so no doubt these will sell. The gray 514 Levi's sell really well, $35 plus shipping. And then I have this stack here that I'm photographing. I may not get all of these listed today, but it's definitely a ton of stuff here. Got a couple ties, a bunch of shirts, a bunch of jeans, and going down the list. Also have some shoes that we have to get. I got to lace these up and list those two. And then I've got all of these shoes here that still need to be cleaned and listed. So a busy next couple days for sure. I've been having some really great success with selling items from Dollar Tree onto eBay. Everything from like crossword puzzle books, Sudoku books, healthcare items, medicine. Like there's so much stuff at Dollar Tree right now that is profitable on eBay. You should really check it out, especially if you're in a place where you're not able to source from a thrift store, which is, I think, everywhere right now. Thrift stores are closed. We have to think outside the box, maybe hit those Walmart clearance aisles, the Lowe's clearance aisles. I'm even exploring some options in buying from eBay and selling on Poshmark, buying like super cheap items, make offers, just buy super cheap stuff on eBay and then flip it on other platforms, or even back onto eBay if you have the patience for it. So I'm definitely exploring tons of different ways. Stick around if you want to see more of those strategies and more of that process. All right, guys, so we have got all of these books that were listed today, about a dozen, and I loaded them into this USPS box. This box is just my tote. I'm going to take it down to my storage shed here on the property. I'm going to put these books in there, organize them, and then pull out yesterday's orders, yesterday evening's orders that sold from the time about 3 p.m. until 2 a.m. this morning when we made our most recent sale. And then get those shipped out. So there's 5 orders that need to go. And then once those things are all packaged and ready to go out, I will take them to the post office. And then I need to go to Dollar Tree and stock up on a few more things. Super excited about this. The Dollar Tree to eBay flip game is strong right now. I highly recommend that you get in on it if you are able to. Let's get down to the storage shed and get those orders out. So I am flipping a lot of my Amazon inventory onto eBay, but not all of those books cross over. And so, wow, that's really dark. So because they don't cross over, I have been giving my wife all of the books that are not good for eBay right now, whether that be because no one's buying them or the prices are just too low. I give them to her. My wife has 1 or 2 garage sales throughout the summer generally, and it's where she sells all of our kind of outdated inventory for $1 to $5, and she's done a $1 garage sale, and she had massive success, basically recouping what we pay for stuff that just doesn't sell. And so I've been giving her a lot of inventory for those garage sales if and hopefully when we have another garage sale. It's kind of a bummer to not be able to go out and source at thrift stores. And we've got another month of it, so hopefully once this thing lifts, we'll be able to put on some garage sales and sell some stuff, and then in turn go buy more stuff. Anyways, let's just go get the stuff out of the shed. Whew. It's a windy day. It is so windy today. It's crazy. Yeah, so here we are in the shed. We've got books. These all have to get listed on this side. These are already listed. And so I'm going to try to find a place for these really quick. There's one point that I wanted to share on this video, and that is that there's some items that are going to sell better on certain platforms versus other platforms. That just kind of goes without saying. But here's one in particular that I want to share with you that sold yesterday. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll have already seen this. However, I will show it here as well for those of you that do not follow on Instagram. So now you kind of know what the deal is. I've got this Bible. I bought this Bible for $1 at a bookstore. See right here, I'm gonna actually zoom the camera in on this. It is a blue leather-bound indexed King James Version Bible. This Bible sat on Amazon for months, at least 6 months. On my Instagram, I put 3 months. Then I started calculating last night and realized it's been way longer than 3 months, more like 6 to 8 months, and never any interest. And I had it as FBA, like it was in the inventory at the Amazon Fulfillment Center. It was priced accordingly. I don't know. It didn't sell. Then I listed it on eBay day before yesterday, and it sold within 20 hours for $39 free shipping. I'll be shipping this as media mail. However, still $39, and I paid $1 for it. That's pretty incredible considering it didn't sell on Amazon at all. If you are an Amazon seller that sells merchant fulfilled books, definitely be cross-listing them onto eBay because for whatever reason, eBay sales are on fire right now. I think Amazon sales are too for merchant fulfilled. Yeah, cross-list your items. All right, so let me pull these and I'll let you see here. I just got these Amazon boxes, put some eBay tape so that I know that this stuff is on eBay. We sold these. Oh man, I just dropped something back there. All right, so I sold 2 of these sets. It's basically this little farm and a Pinocchio scenery. So that's one set, and the other one's one set. Yeah, so gonna get those out. And then we've got the 4-pack of Warm Touch warming jelly. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then, what else do we have? We've got the Bible, and we've got the Stock Investing for Dummies. This is a heavy box right here. This Bible that's sitting right in here. There it is. Excellent condition. No rips or anything in it. So I've got that. I'm going to take my little box here. Set this bin down. This is the one pain of not having all my inventory in the room that I do all the work in, is that everything has to be pulled in. So there's those 4. Got the Bible, got the Stock Investing, we've got the 2 puzzle sets right there. Then we're looking for a book. The Shallows is what it's called. Look behind here, there it is. Right there, The Shallows. So that's not a very heavy book. We'll send it media mail, and like I said, it'll break even or maybe collect $1. Gonna get this stuff upstairs and print shipping labels and get out of here. Get them to the post office as quick as possible. So we're off. Plot twist, I lost the keys 2 minutes before heading out the door. Don't know how, but ended up finding them after a 10-minute search. Don't you love when life steps in the way of your life? It's all my fault. I misplaced them. However, plot twist. My wife tasked me with the task of obtaining toilet paper. Don't know how that's going to go down. Thinking of putting together a heist. Thinking of maybe a 12-man job.
where we get 12 men and women and maybe some armored trucks and I don't know, grappling hooks and ninja stars and whatever we can get, and then going after a package of toilet paper, hopefully, you know, a six pack of toilet paper. But yeah, so that's gonna be fun. Drop, 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 drop. Boom. Done.
All right, so I am back home from my quest to find toilet paper. I did not find any toilet paper. I went to a Dollar Tree and Walmart and a couple grocery stores, did not find anything. However, I did score some. Drum roll, please. Baby wipes. We've got baby wipes. This is an 800 pack of baby wipes. Paid $13 for them. It's 8 packs of 100 in here. You know, baby wipes, there are some caveats with it. Obviously, don't flush them, especially if you live on a septic tank like I do out here in the country. However, it's better than not having toilet paper or anything to take care of your personal business with. So, baby wipes, that's it. For those of you that are interested, there apparently is a shortage of baby wipes in some parts of the country. So this 800 pack that costs $13 at Walmart is selling on Amazon for between $70 and $85 free shipping. Now it is pretty heavy. I'm not selling any of them. That's why I'm giving this information away. Yeah, $70 to $85 free shipping. I would say that shipping's probably going to be $25 or more. Then you have your fees and all that. So you could make some profit. Be careful not to price gouge people. We don't want to take advantage of people. Do your business ethically and in a way that everyone benefits and that no one is taken advantage of. That includes you, the seller, not being taken advantage of. Did sell some more stuff from the Dollar Tree. I went in there. I bought the rest of the things that I'm selling from there. Bought the rest of them that they have in the store and already sold some since I've been home. So excited about that. Those will get shipped out later this evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got value from it, be sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And then if you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell and selecting all so that you'll know when I upload again. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, keep selling, get the bag, and I'll see you on the next video.